Hey guys, how you doing? Today we are finishing up some house projects. I think in the last house to home video I was showing you the bookcase and the frames and art pieces that I got in. Now it is time to assemble them. I am not an artiste or a framer or anything like that, but I was trying to go the most affordable route instead of getting these professionally framed. So I'm gonna try them myself. I did show you guys all of the art that I got. They are just stunning pieces. I'll leave the place that I got everything linked down below. I am just overwhelmed with how great of a quality these came out. So I'm ready to get these framed up. I have a ton of these antique vintage frames that I got from the antique store, and I'm just ready to put some art in these and to put them around the house. Downstairs the walls are pretty bare. There are a lot of places where art can go, and I was just trying to look for like the right pieces and the right vibe, but I'm really happy with these pieces of art. So let's go ahead and figure out what we need to do. I'm probably gonna go downstairs and do all this because I don't think I have enough room in my office. But speaking of office, that will probably be the next house to home video because I've been filming this office makeover video for quite a while, you guys. I think 2021, 2022, I don't know. I've been filming this for a while and I haven't really liked the footage that I got, but it is what it is. So I'm going to put it together. We need to do one more DIY for the wall and then clean up, and then I'll show you the office makeover. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, and then I kind of want to start with the easiest frames, I feel like, first. I just spent an hour, it's 3 o'clock now, doing this stinking frame for it to fit perfectly this. I don't know why I thought I was leaving the room, but I didn't. So now it just feels like the art was in this hole and it's not overlapping the art. So I give up. I give up. I don't have enough mental capacity to work on this. So what I think I'm going to do instead is I think I might go to Michael's and get mat boards that are already made. I could cry, but I'm not going to because it's dramatic, but I'm like, it's been stressing me out and I've been trying my best for like what literally feels like hours. So let's go. I just got home from a fun day. I went to Kirkland's, HomeGoods, and the antique store, and I got more frames to hang up. So I wanted to unbox everything and show you what I got. I feel like I'm getting enough frames, so I should be good for a while now. But I do have my finished art, you guys. Let me show you in a minute. It's so good. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to hang these pieces up. They look so good. So let me show you the new frames that I got. If you live in Atlanta, I love going to the Marietta Antique Mall. There's also a few shops in downtown Marietta that I also love to go to, but Marietta Antique Mall is pretty much what I go to all the time. So first of all, I found this mirror. I forgot how much it was, but I think it was like $13 maybe. Okay, this one's not going to be everyone's taste, but I absolutely love it. I am dying at these two pieces. So they are part of a set. They're part of a set, and I'm pretty sure they were like $14 for two, and I was kind of like, yeah. But the art, oh my god, so beautiful. I'm really obsessed with these pieces. Again, they're not going to be for everyone, but are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. I found this frame as well. I obviously am not a big fan of this art. This is really giving me like 70s, 80s art, which it's actually really not that bad, but it's bad. So the art will come out. The last one here, I actually didn't mind the art, so I probably will keep this art in here unless I find something else that I like better. But I really liked this one, and I also again loved the frame. This one, I don't remember how much it was, but such a nice frame, and I love the little gold piping like on here. So I figured I would keep everything, and then eventually if I get tired of it, it's super easy to pop new art in there. So I needed some new drying mats. These are such a good size for the price. They're $10 and they're extra large. And then I got some new towels. These are from Martha Stewart, and this is like literally my vibe. The hydrangeas and this blue, it's so cute. So this was a find, $10 as well. Got some new towels. It's a set of 3. These are actually kitchen towels, but I actually love kitchen towels in the bathroom in a solid color because they're more absorbent, and I also like the pattern of these. So that was a good find. I also found these really cute picture frames, and I know I just bought some picture frames at the antique store, but I really loved this one. And with this one was $5.99. I thought this one was really cute, and I really just want to add more like photos of us throughout the house. We don't take a lot of photos, so the photos that we do get, I want to make sure that we're putting them up around the house. I've been meaning to change the wreath on the front door for a really long time now, and I haven't yet. So I found this one from Kirkland. I thought it was so cute and also different, and this one was $25, but it was on sale, and I thought it was different, and it matches the boxwoods that are on our front, so I thought it would be really cute to just hang this one. Okay guys, the art came back from Hobby Lobby, and they look so good. They did an amazing job doing this for me, and it actually was really inexpensive in my opinion. So here's that one piece of art. I love this. I love this so much. It looks so good. So I went with a mauve berry mat to kind of coordinate with the berries in the art. Just a white mat with a black border to kind of make the art pop a little bit more. This is what the back looks like too, and they put these like little things on to protect your wall. So that looks really good. Looks amazing. I can't believe like this is the art that I got printed. I found it online and I got printed. This one I did the white matte with the black border on the inside as well, just to make the photo pop a little bit more. I am obsessed with this photo, you guys. I think it looks so good. So I opted for the double matte here. I did the white with the green on the inside, and I think it makes the photo look a little bit more substantial. This one was a little bit more expensive, but overall still a good price for all of these.